Hi there, my name is Roeland and I'm from the Belgian office. So today I'm going to show you one of my favorite features of APE. It's APE's QA Live Assistant. Now for this demo, I'm assuming you're familiar with APE and QA module in APE. So let's dive in. I'm going to show you that I have only 2 rules active in my quality standard. So I'm checking on a page if it's assigned a page group and whether or not it's protected by an authorization schema. So here you see the application and the page we're looking at, application 200 page 1, and nothing is out of the ordinary. I'm showing this in the builder. I have a page group assigned and an authorization schema is protecting the page. So I'm now removing this and by this creating an error according to APE's standard rules. So if I now refresh this page, I'm getting an extra region right in your face and ugly enough for a developer to do something about it. He's now mentioning that on this specific page it is not assigned to a page group. Now I can do a couple of things. I can add this rule to an exception, making sure that this specific rule on this specific page is never run again. Or I can just go in there and fix it. Now I am already at the right place, so I'm fixing the issue, saving my work, and refresh this page. Now because there is no other error on this page, the entire region disappears. This is what you should strive as a developer: no errors, nothing at all. So there was also a possibility to disable this feature for the current session. So for instance, when you're doing a demo, that can be nice. It will disable it only for this session, and next time you log in, it's going to be there again right in your face and annoy you until you solved the issue. So the validation routine is also smart enough that it only executes on page load when a change has been made on that page since the last assessment was run by APE. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching.